Hi everyone, I am Eljon Patrocinio and welcome to Jan Electronic Repair Shop. So for today's video, we are going to assemble a cooling fan of a laptop. So before I start assembling this thing, so I'm going to explain first and show you what are the materials, parts of this cooling fan. So the only thing we need is a screwdriver. So it is used to loose and tighten screws. So it is very useful in assembling this gadget. So we have this frame. So this is the frame of a cooling fan. And screen. So this is a screen. So it serves as aluminum heatsink. So it absorbs all the heats from your laptops. So it is another part of a frame, stand frame. So the main parts of this cooling fan is the auxiliary fan. So it is powered by dynamo, supplied by the AC source current. So it has an LED and of course the wire. So the wire is to serve as the passage of the current to the auxiliary fan. And we have this digital controller of the auxiliary fan and the power supply receiver. So now we're going to install first the auxiliary fan to the frame. So we're going to put first the wire and the auxiliary fan. We're going to put this first one here. So now we're installing the wire of supply. So by the way, this cooling fan is DC power, or what we call direct current. It is power 12 volt power, so it needs a adapter. Now we're going to install the USB port or the power supply receiver. So the supply from the current will go there. So it is being distributed to this IC, or what we call integrated circuit. So this one is a controller and it has an IC that controls the circuit so that it becomes 12 volts DC supply to the auxiliary fan. Going to use a screwdriver in mounting this cover. You must drive the screw with love and care. So by the way, this auxiliary fan has 1, 2, 3, 10 blades. So it is powerful enough to cool down your laptops. Now we're going to put the screen. Now we are going to install the digital controller. First we need to put this one. So it has two types of connector, the female connector and the male connector. And the brace. Now this is our finished product. We're going to use a connector in order to supply This is our final output. So the 6 auxiliary fan with LED cooling fan. So this device can help to cool down your laptop when it reaches into the maximum temperature. So it can prevent overheating due to the overuse, and it helps your computer to maintain the low temperature inside of the board.
So I recommend this cooling fan to everyone because it can help you to extend the life of your laptop and to use it properly. Thank you everyone for watching and viewing my video. That would be all. Good day and thank you.